Okie doke. Let's go and make our next one. It's going to be our accordion. So we'll go over here, click our amp, and do accordion. There it is. The first thing you know you got to do, you got to grab that code because that's the accordion JavaScript library. And we'll put that with our other libraries references up here by the title. You always need that. You're only loading the JavaScript that you need. I'm just going to close this. I'm going to close this. Okay, so there you have your libraries. Clean it up a little bit. There we go. All right, now that we have that code, our JavaScript reference in there, this part has to go inside the styles. See, because there's more, but the blue portion goes inside the styles. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to my styles. I'm going to find my style amp custom. I'm going to paste it in there. Okay, so there's our accordion styles. Then I have to go get the actual accordion. There are nested accordions and there is single accordions. Let's do the nested. What the heck? The orange is the nested. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to put it in with our information on our information row. So I'm going to scroll down until I see my little comments for information. Look at all this code we're making. There's a slidey information row. Okay, so I'm going to put I'm going to get rid of the content and the p tags. I'm going to paste it in there. And then I'm going to look at my beautiful, beautiful accordion. And there it is. It's nested, so it creates a bunch. But do we like this red? Wouldn't we rather have it the colors of our site so that it's all branded the same? You see the red, so when everything is closed, it's blue. And then there's red. Okay, so you can see how that works. But you can put content in there, a bunch of content, bunch of more content. Okay, so when it's at rest, it's blue. Okay, and just by clicking them. Well, let's see if we can do something about those colors. Look, if you look at the CSS, you can see exactly where the colors come from. You have the red and the white. We know what that is. Here's some more red and white. And then you have blue and white. Well, let's see if we can change those. Look, when you go back to your tool and you go to menu, you can go to the color palette. And in the color palette, this is where all the colors are. So let's say at rest we want this dark green. All I have to do is go down to the dark green here where it says first chop or whatever color we want. You can see by the color code here. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go to my where it says red and white. I'm just going to copy over that. Boop. And here's another red and white. So I'm just going to copy over that. And that's going to create that. Okay, when they're open, we're going to have this orange. So I'm going to copy that code. And then when I find, here's the blue and white, I'm going to paste that there. I don't know why that happened, but that's okay. That's all right. Then I'm going to save. And now watch. Right now, it's that red and blue. But because I put those colors in and I hit refresh, now they're the colors that match my site. So we can put in all this stuff and color code it using the tool. Now I'm going to put some filler text in those. I'm going to do 2 lines. See, if you click the 2, it'll capture 2 lines. So I'm going to copy that. And look, I'm going to go down to where my accordion is. Look at all this code we did. Let's see, I'm going to find my accordion. So here's my section. So I'm going to put it in here. Just like that. Okay. So that's my section 1. I'm going to see how these P's react. I don't know how the P's are going to react. And so I'm going to say, hear this. Let's see. I wonder if these P's are going to work. I never tried this before, so we're going to find out together. Hear this. No, see, the P's cause it grief. So let's see if we take out the P's if it's going to work. Maybe you can't have paragraphs in there. I'd be surprised, but not really. Okay, so there it is. Apparently you can't have P tags in there because this whole thing, the JavaScript, depends on that. Okay, so let's put some more. Let's go get some more content. I'm just going to pick, I don't know, just one because we learned there. So I got that. And here's some more P's. Here we go, some more right here. You can only have one set of P's, I guess. I would imagine, just for fun, let's put a BR in here. Let's see if you can do a BR. Oops. Guess I can't. So I'm going to hit save, and that's going to be under, here we go. We're just going to call this has a break. Okay, so that the H4 is the title. So let's take a look to see if you can put BRs in there. Okay, hear this. This has a break, and sure enough, look, it has the line break. So there's some formatting that you can do inside this here nested. So this is a good way to save some space on your page. Look at how little bit this takes up. You know, you could do this. So you have here this. And in fact, you can go to your image. Let's see, we still have an image here. Let's grab this. And let's put this inside this content here. We probably need to save those P's. And do you think that there is now an image in the accordion? Oop, where'd it go? Where's our image? Well, we should be able to have an image there. Did I refresh? No, it doesn't look like it did the image. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why, but you should be able to do that. Did I put it in the right place? Oh, I didn't put it in the right place. I didn't put it in the right place. Well, here we go. Content for, oh, here we go. Here it is. Let's see, this says line break. We'll just put it here. And paste it here. Leaving the P's because it seems like it needs the P. I put it in the wrong place. There we go. There we have it. Okay, so you can put images in there. You could put videos in there. You could put text in there. You put all kinds of stuff. So that's kind of a nice way to present a lot of information on a little bit of space. So that's the accordion. Now, you can also have an accordion that doesn't have any, oh no, that's, let's go back to the accordion. Okay, so that's the nested accordion. The single accordion is, it's not nested. Okay, so that's what that is, the accordion. I know you love it.